Hello, boys and girls. Did you know that even Santa's got a cell phone now? And I'm sending text messages to all the good little boys and girls on my contact list at textsfromsanta.com. All I need is a parent or grandparent to sign up and help me with a little family information. Then, each day of December leading up to Christmas, I'll send out a personalized text message. You'll hear all about my adventures at the North Pole as we get ready for the big day. And on Christmas Eve, while I'm delivering presents, I'll even send a selfie. Now, whoever said Santa wasn't tech-savvy? Visit textsfromsanta.com and sign up today.